We will continue chapter 2, lesson 4. One more question. If we're looking at this, see this line here, it's a fraction. So it's a fraction on top of a fraction. This is division. So fractions is really a division statement. It's this divided by this. So the top, I'm just going to do a common denominator. And the common denominator is x plus 1. So if you see a 3 here by itself, it just means it's 3 over 1 if you want. Now again, I said, the way I do common denominator, I go this here divided by the 1 gives me x plus 1 times 3. So it's 3 times x plus 1. Or you just compare denominators. You compare this to this. Since this one doesn't have the common denominator, then you multiply this by x plus 1. And then you have plus. And this one here, it is already here, so you don't have to multiply the x by anything. So that's how it stays. This, I'm just going to rewrite it. I'm just going to simplify a little bit before I start doing common denominator on the bottom. So you could take out 3 and I get x plus 1 over x, which gives me, I'm going to start simplifying here, 3x plus 3 plus x over x plus 1 gives me common denominator here is both of them, the x and the x plus 1. I compare this to this, it's missing the x. That's what you have to multiply the top by. Plus, you compare this to this, it's missing the x plus 1, therefore the 3 and the x plus 1 on top has to be multiplied by the x plus 1. Simplify that, the top, I get 4x plus 3 over x plus 1. And I'm going to simplify the bottom, and I'm going to get x squared plus 3 brackets. I'm going to start foiling this. This will give me x squared. If you foil it, take your time foiling this, but it's going to give me x squared plus 2x plus 1. You just have to take my word for it. When you're reviewing this on your own, just you go ahead and go through the foiling and make sure that's what you get. Keep on simplifying. So this I cannot simplify any further over x plus 1. This one here will be x squared plus 3x squared plus 6x plus 3, because I'm distributing the 3 into there, over x plus 1. Remember, this is my main fraction right here. I'm going to simplify the bottom for x plus 3 over x plus 1, so this stays the same. But this bottom here could be written as 4x squared plus 6, that's x, sorry there, plus 6x plus 3 over x plus 1, which equals 4x plus 3 over x plus 1 times, see, this is your main fraction, and as I said, it means division, so this is your division statement right there. If we change it to multiplication, we just have to flip the divisor, so we get x plus 1 and 4x squared plus 6x plus 3 on the bottom. The x plus 1 would cancel with the x plus 1 somehow, yeah. And I'm left with this times this. We'll just keep it as factored form. So 4x plus 3 and 4x squared plus 6x. plus 3. So that's the final answer for this one. Check. As I was watching the lesson 4 first part, I realized that I forgot the x minus 4 in example number 2 in the final answer. So there was an x and an x minus 4. I missed that. So just make sure the final answer is that, and it's not just x on the bottom. Till next time, stay safe. Till my next video. See you later. Bye-bye.